Hi, my name is Jordan Gwynn, and today we're going to go on a little trip. With open house right around the corner, today's going to be quite the experience for you guys. You're going to get to meet some staff, faculty, maybe even a student or two. All right, so let's get on our way. All right, I'm good. So I'm here with Dr. Matthews. Dr. Matthews, what are some of the most common questions you get from prospective students at open house?
Often when students come to open house or even in their first year, one of the first questions they ask is what part of business should they major in. Helping students determine what area of business is of most interest to them is probably the number one question we have.
So I heard through the grapevine that internships were a little important. How important are they here at the HUETHER School of Business?
An internship is important in the sense it's a requirement for graduation.
Okay.
We thought that the idea of an internship was so important that several years ago we made that a requirement.
Hey, you mind if I make this interview a little more personal? I don't like to be tied down by typical interviews. Now, does a 99% feedback rating on eBay get you anywhere in the department?
No.
So far what we've been doing is going around, getting some interviews with staff and administrators. We're gonna see how open our house actually is. We just want to ask you a couple questions. One of the questions is, how open is our house?
What do you mean, how open is our house?
How would you describe St. Rose?
Oh, St. Rose, small community, but intimate.
Intimate? Romantic intimate?
We're blessed to have such a diverse population, and to anybody that's looking to come here, we love new people, we love meeting everybody and their families, and we're really excited.
All right, so we moving around. Where are we going to next?
Oh, you can ask us anything. We're open. We're there to answer any question you have. So please come in. If you see me there, ask me anything.
Can I have $20?
Sure. You got it.
How open was the house when you got here?
I mean, it was pretty open. Everybody was open-minded. Everybody was accepting. Their teachers are they're well trained. You know what I mean? They're open to help their students out.
Everybody was very welcoming.
Everyone was very welcoming.
It was a nice experience. Saw the kids walking around. It was good.
Can I come in?
Open house is like the first date. The first date. You're meeting someone new. They've checked us out, online. No, not Match.com, although I did say it was like a first date.
All right, so as you guys can see, St. Rose is a very open campus. And with no further ado, I'm out.